Yeah, hi Michaela. Justin, look, I just been looking at these stairs and I've just modeled it up, and I honestly don't know how we're going to have these stairs working with this existing double PFC that's running through the ground floor. So I'll just go through the plan. So that's the existing. Um, Now I may have this measurement slightly wrong, but I've got this measurement, the setback right. That's 4915 from the block to there, so I know that's all good. So I know basically looking at the upper floor, we're thinking of leaving the porch where it is, obviously creating this room, for a toilet, shower, laundry. Where the stairs are, obviously trying to have the stairs sort of line up so it spits you out in the center of the new dining room. So where the stairs are, and this is based on using a max rise of 190 and a tread of 280, and the hallway width of 950, we can't cross this line with the head height at all, because obviously that's the lounge. So that's the governing wall there, but the lounge wall. So looking at the 3D, what I've done is basically that's the stair coming down. Um, just ignore the block walls for now. Just the block walls don't really matter, so I will hide those. So basically, coming down, even putting the idea is we need to get down as low as we can, as quick as we can, to avoid this beam, which from the underside of the steel beam, I've got 2060. Now it varies from, it's obviously the floor that's slightly out, but some places it's 2050, 2060. So I need to somehow get below this beam, but I don't think we can get below this beam uh, with sort of putting a dog leg on these stairs. Um, Now, if we had to basically keep these stairs where they were, um, and just have them as one flight coming down, sort of hugging the steel on this side, um, where that would actually spit us out, I will quickly show you. Um, Bear with me for a second. 950, and I'm starting at that point. That's where the stairs are going to spit you out, which is it's getting too far. It's getting too far into the room, way too far into the room. I mean, this wall can obviously change, but it's just getting way too far into the room. So I think we're going to have to put a dog leg on the stairs, but I think the steel has to go. I don't know, and unless you are keen to move the staircase, rather than being central, if we move it to the left, the steel has to go. Anyway, let me think. Yeah, give me some thoughts on what you're thinking there, because I'm kind of, if I can tidy that up, um, then I can finish the ranch. I can finish the sliders and all that, and start putting everything in place. But yeah, it's just those stairs. Let me know what you think. Cheers, guys.